Floor lamps for living room clearance with adjustable shade. 61-foot arc floor lamp comes with a rotating head, assuring convenience for daily life. When you put the floor light behind your couch, you can adjust the lampshade to any angle you like, which is very proper for reading and working. There are numerous options for cheap home and kitchen products, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable home and kitchen products from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video.
Number 1. Ambimol floor lamps for living room with 3 color temperatures. Standing lamp. Modern floor lamp with 3 color temperature bulb. Ambimol stand-up lamp includes a 9-watt LED bulb which has 3 different color adjustable temperature setting. 3000K, 4000K, 5000K. You can easily change the color temperature by the foot switch to set the overall ambiance of the room. Different modes creates a different atmosphere to meet your daily needs. Floor lamps for living room clearance with adjustable shade. 61 inches arc floor lamp comes with a rotating head, assuring convenience for daily life. When you put the floor light behind your couch, you can adjust the lamp shade to any angle you like, which is very proper for reading and working. Handy foot switch to turn on, off the lamp and change 3 different color temperatures. Corner floor lamp for living room, bedroom, study room. It is very affordable and works great when you need a floor lamp for a dark corner. This floor light fits in any room from industrial to modern or traditional decor. Perfect for a living room floor lamp, bedroom floor lamp, kids room floor lamp, office floor lamp, apartment floor lamp, classroom floor lamp. Ideal and perfect gift for new house. Simple and elegant design of this standing floor lamp can make it easy to place in any room of the house. Especially when you are moving to a new house that doesn't have ceiling lights in many of the rooms, this dimmable floor lamp is a great addition to any room in the house. Easy to install, easy to put together and included the light bulb. You need to twist the poles together, insert them in the base. The lampshade comes rolled up and you wrap it around the wire frame and close the Velcro in the back. No need any tools to complete.
Number 2. Sunmori Arc Floor Lamp. Dimmable arc floor lamps. Sunmori's new LED floor lamp with remote control supports stepless dimming of brightness, 1% to 100%, and color temperature, 3000K 6000K. With the remote control, you can easily switch between 4 lighting modes, reading, feeding, working and night light modes, to meet your various scene needs. This floor lamp is perfect as a reading lamp, office lamp, or lamp for living room. It also features a memory function to remember your last lighting settings, ensuring a perfect experience. Remote control and foot switch. The dimmable floor lamp adopts a combination remote control and foot switch, which is convenient for daily life. With magnets design, it can be placed on any iron furniture within a distance of 50 feet/15 m. Just imagine having the corner lamp positioned behind the sofa or in a slightly hard to reach spot. The remote control becomes an ideal choice. And you can turn on off the arched floor lamp by easily stepping on the foot switch, freeing your hands. Aesthetics design. The 75-inch tall lamp features an arc-shaped top with a drum lampshade, creating a sleek and elegant aesthetic. This modern floor lamp seamlessly blends industrial style with contemporary allure, effortlessly integrating into any decor. The arc floor lamp serves not only as a dining lamp but also as an auxiliary light in the living room, study, or your favorite reading corner. The light is soft and does not hurt the eyes, and the atmosphere is stronger than that of a table lamps. Number 3. Dimmable floor lamp, arc floor lamp with dimmer. Convenient foot dimmer. This arched floor lamp is controlled by a pedal dimmer switch on the power cord, offering 0 to 100% brightness to meet your daily lighting needs. No need to bend down or tiptoe to reach. A easy push with feet will enable you to customize the brightness from dim to bright. Great companion for reading, working, leisure and resting. Adjustable hanging lampshade. The black floor lamp features a rotatable lamp head, 350° horizontally and 180° vertically, which means you are free to direct the light angle precisely for various tasks. Note, to avoid damage, please hold the topmost join end of lamp pole simultaneously when rotate the lamp head. Classic arc design. Suspended drum shade from arch top. Our dimmable floor lamp brings out simple yet elegant aesthetic. Integrating industrial touch with contemporary charm, the floor lamp could seamlessly fit into any decor styles. Perfect light to hang over your sofa, desk or couch of living room, bedroom, office, den, favorite reading nook, etc. Number 4. Dunwell's Black Arched Floor Lamps with Adjustable Beige Line Lampshade, Standing Tall Arc Lamp. Arched floor lamp with minimalist style, minimalist and classic design, adds a touch of uniqueness and upscale feel to your room. This elegant floor lamp is ideal for many decor styles such as urban, mid-century modern, minimalist, vintage, and traditional. Adjustable beige linen drum shade. With a well-made beige linen lampshade, this stylish floor lamp gives off warm, cozy light that creates a comfortable space beside your book chair. 180 degrees vertically adjustable lampshade allows you to pivot the light to wherever you want. Easy to assemble and use, this tall arc floor lamp is easy to assemble within few minutes, comes with a foot switch, spares your hands, saves you from bending down to turn on, off the light. A good idea for the pregnant woman and elderly. Goes with various bulbs, compatible with LED, CFL, incandescent and halogen of bulbs, not included. The shades look best when complemented by warm white lights. Bulbs with color temperatures of 2700K to 3500K are ideal to go with this lamp to create a warm, cozy atmosphere. Number 5. Carjoafar 2 Light Floor Lamp, Mid-Century Floor Lamp. The perfect lamp for your home, the Carjoafar standing lamp will turn your bedroom, office, or living room into a space of elegance. This tall lamp features a white linen drum lampshade that perfectly combines frosted black and metallic tones. Its generous drum lampshade holds space for 2 bulbs to cast extra light wherever needed. Elegant E26 lamp socket design. This living room lamp has a built-in gold dual E26 socket design with a drawstring zipper to turn the lamp on, off and change the lamp's color. Each drawstring zipper can control one bulb individually so that you can get bright light from one light. It also contains a foot switch. Note the foot switch is only used to turn the floor lamp on or off. 2x9W LED bulbs includes no need for additional bulbs. We will provide 2x9W LED dimmable bulbs, UL listed, which are both efficient and environmentally friendly while consuming less energy. The LED bulbs are available in 3 color temperatures, 3000K divided by 4500K divided by 6500K, warm white/clear white/cool white, for various scenarios. Premium quality and safe. Carjoafar insists on using advanced manufacturing tech and materials to prioritize quality truly. This mid-century floor lamp is made of high-grade metal and has a weighted base to prevent the lamp from falling. The 6.8 feet /2.08 m power cord makes it easy to place your LED floor lamp anywhere. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.